Let's begin by talking about ice and snow. Let's imagine that we are in a really cold climate. Maybe there's snow falling. Everyone makes snow falling from the air. Goes in different patterns. Make your snow fall in different patterns to the ground at a high level, low level. Can we show that we're shivering? It's a little cold in cold climates. Our water is a little frozen like ice. Can we shiver and freeze and shiver and freeze and shiver and freeze and relax? Hi everyone. How are you doing today? My name is Miss Jessica, and I am a dance teacher with San Francisco Ballet's Dance in Schools and Communities. Today, we are going to explore the different water cycles that we see in different climates. Let's get started. Wow, I don't know about you, but once I started moving and shivering my body in my cold climate, I was starting to heat up a little bit. What about you? Yeah? Well, let's imagine that we are melting just like the snow off of the mountaintops because the climate is getting a little bit hotter. Okay, so let's start at a high level and melt at a low level. Let's try that again. Start at high. I want you to imagine that you have snow in your hands, and we're gonna bring it down. Melt, 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 melt to a lower level. High, melt, melt, melt into a lower level. Now that our climate is getting a little bit warmer, let's imagine that we are now at a liquid state. We are water streaming through a river. Bring your arms out and down. And let's imagine that we are a nice, calm river. Beautiful. Let's swim. A nice, soft swim. Swim in the river. Beautiful. Have you ever skipped rocks in a river before? It's super fun. Let's dance like we are skipping rocks in the river. Pick up your rock and skip. Again. A nice little jump. Put your body into it. You know, some people even can bathe in the river. Yeah, so let's scrub-a-dub-dub. I don't know about you all, but it's getting pretty hot over here. You know what happens to water once it gets really hot, past its boiling point? The water droplets begin to evaporate into the sky. Let's imagine that we are hot water boiling. It's boiling, shake, 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 shake. And start rising into the air. High, 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 high. Start with your shivering in the snow. And freeze like an ice cube. And shiver. And freeze. And shiver. And freeze. Now, let's slowly melt. Melt from the mountaintops. Melt down to the ground. Now we are liquid in our river and swim in the river. Skip some rocks. Skip the rocks. Skip the rocks. And scrub-a-dub-dub. 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 Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start boiling, almost like lava in a volcano. And rise and rise and rise and rise and float into a gas state. Wow, who knew that water could take on so many different forms? Water is a necessity for all of our ecosystems to live, so it's really important that we take care of our climates and environments so that we can all live a happy life here on Earth. Thank you so much for dancing with me today and combining the water cycles with dance. Again, my name is Jessica, and I'll see you next time. Bye.